welcome to this video. In today's video, we will understand an amazing concept you need to know before you write your first Python code. And then, because this is extremely important, I create a separate video about it so I can explain how it works. So in order for you to become a good Python developer, the one you will become for sure, you need to understand how that works. I will create a demonstration first so you can see what we are talking about and you can understand. Do not worry about the code at all, okay? Just follow me here. In the future, we'll just write our code, okay? Let's say print hello world, okay? Hello world. So let's print that one on the console to see what it will give us. Let's see. Okay, you see why here it gives us an error says indentation error expected an indented block after the if statement. What does that mean, indentation, guys? So I have prepared a quick note for you to know about it so you can master this one, and in the next coming videos you will see how it is important. Okay, so let's see what is indentation. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. That is what we have just seen, okay? In the code we have just written. Indentation refers to the space at the beginning of a code line, okay? The indentation in Python is very important, as I have already mentioned to you. In Python, indentation is not optional. It tells Python which code belongs together. So this is not something that you can omit, okay? This is not optional. It is a must. You should put indentation. You should indentate your code when you're writing them. Okay, the number of space is up to you as a programmer. The most common use is 4. Okay, as of right now, for this video, as it is a beginner coding course, we will use 4 spaces, okay? To indentate your code, you can just type the space button 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you just press the tab button. You just press it and you're good to go. But you cannot use the space button and the tab button at the same times. You can either use one or the other, okay? Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code, okay? Okay, let's get back to this code right now. So right here we see that we write if true print hello world. What does that mean? The and why it does not work? Because we did not indentate the code and we need to indentate it because this part belongs to this one. Okay, so we need to indentate that code which will says if this one is true, so do this. Okay, and then as soon as we do not indentate the code, it will give us an error. And then in that case, we just do this, okay? We will indentate it. In order to indentate the code, we will give it the first space. As I have mentioned, it is like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you will see it will work right now. It should work. You see, it works. So in the next coming videos, we will start indenting the code we will write. So you will have a better idea of why it does not work, how to fix your errors, and why you get that error. Okay. So I hope this video was useful. It is a quick video just to show you how it is important to write indentation. I don't want to write more code just to make you confused, and then we will start writing code in the next coming videos. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Happy coding, guys.